Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink, mainly its US dollar pairing. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, the price currently is $22.06, rounded up to 7 cents, if you will. Obviously, one of the lower points as of recent for Chainlink, from the peak of about $50, dropping to about 56%, 57%, and from the prior week, 70% coming back down to $15. Now, keep in mind the current price right now of $22.08, 9 cents is still higher than the previous all-time high, which was done in 2020 of August at about 17, about $20. This is something that I'd like people to put into perspective and use the US dollar pairing as a means to show that Chainlink has, despite its Bitcoin valuation of not getting to the prior peak, has had the capability of outpacing its the US dollar pairing to make it to $50, and even after this dump has still gotten is still higher than the previous local, previous all-time high, negating the $34 and the $50. That is something that I'd like to just point out, about the longevity of Chainlink when we look at this chart. Now, we talk at length about how Chainlink holds the 20-week moving average fairly well, whether that's against Bitcoin or against the US dollar. When it does go below it, it doesn't take that long for Chainlink to come back up, back above the 20-week moving average. Having said that, where do these points in time land? And one thing you can take a look at is the 50-week. The 50-week moving average has, in the past, when the 20-week moving average failed us, acted as a line of support for the asset, whether that's here during March of 2020 or here during December 2019 to January 2020, here in December of 2020, and here right now during the last few weeks, when Chainlink has broken the 20-week moving average against the US dollar. We're holding the 50-week moving average. We're currently heading towards it again. And so we will see how this plays out. If this is any indication, this will hold. Okay, there's no guarantee that it will, but this is definitely something that I'm looking at in regards to preparing my Chainlink position. You know that I am accumulating Chainlink during this period of decline. I want Chainlink to be the number 3 spot in my portfolio, and it's very close. It's very close. I think if any, in a few more weeks, if we're still below in this area on Bitcoin and still below the 20-week moving average against the US dollar, I'll be preparing to make another position buy of Chainlink at that time. But this is something that I want to keep in mind of. If you are someone who sees Chainlink breaking the 20-week moving average and saying, "Oh no, all like it's over," well, not necessarily. We still have the 50-week moving average that is holding up as support, and we'll see if we're able to hold this moving average. Now, what I'm curious about is where this wick goes to. And I didn't really, look at, like, play with the moving averages. I was kind of waiting until now to take a look at that. So let's take a look at it. I believe it is the 100 week, or not. I mean, it kind of does. It kind of does. I feel like it would have been the 100 week. Obviously, there's not enough data to go back down to this area, but if we just, extend the line, so to speak, it kind of it kind of lines up to that if you kind of use your imagination a little bit. So obviously the weekly moving averages of Chainlink have shown to be some kind of importance to Chainlink, and so The next secondary line of support is the 50-week moving average, and if that doesn't hold, well, we'll be looking to the 100-week. Currently, right now, the 50-week moving average is trading at about $20.35. The 100-week is trading at $11.60. If Chainlink goes down to $11, I'll be the first one lining up to buy this asset. I can make that assertion right now. I'm very bullish on Chainlink. I think Chainlink has a bright future. And if we're thinking of short term valuations, I think Chainlink will be outpacing Bitcoin during this period of Bitcoin being below the 20-week moving average. And that is just my that is my hunch. That is my understanding of of Chainlink's relationship with Bitcoin during this time during periods of Bitcoin being below the 20-week moving average. In any case, the purposes of this video was to just show that, hey, look, like, the 20-week moving average isn't a hard and fast rule. There are other moving averages that Chainlink does apply and hold support off of, mainly the 50-week moving average. We'll see if this breaks, if the 100-week moving average will be any sort of significance, but we'll obviously see down the line. Anyway, that is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.